Car thefts in Toronto are up 300% year over year, 48% in Ontario, 50% year over year in Quebec, and 35% in Atlantic Canada. There's actually a car stolen in the United States every 6 seconds. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to go ahead and stop the most common vector of attack, which is the relay attack, with secure fob. You guys have been following along on the channel. There's been so many car thefts happening. Honestly, it's given me, my wife, all of you anxiety and thinking about how to best protect your car from all of these thefts. Not only are these thefts obviously terrible, they're stealing your vehicle, but they're putting your friends, your family, your loved ones at risk every single day. And one of the most common vectors of these thefts is this relay attack, where they're going ahead, 2 or more thieves are coming in, they're going near your home because most of the time your keys are being kept by the car, and that's the main problem. All of these key fobs, they are transmitting a signal from your vehicle to go ahead and unlock the car. And what they're doing is basically manipulating and extending that reach of that transmission to unlock your vehicle and steal your car out of your driveway or out of your possession. So what secure fob does is actually block that vector of attack completely in an intuitive way, one time, and honestly, it's super simple, easy to use. You kind of buy it, set it up, and forget it. And I've been using this product for over a couple weeks now, and honestly, I've been super happy with it. Traditionally, many people would go and get a Faraday box, right? You'd take your key, put it in a Faraday box, and then you'd be protected. Let's be real here. I've done that, but my wife typically always forgets to take the key out of her many purses and put the damn key in a Faraday box. So this solution with secure fob actually makes sure that no matter where your key fob is in the house, after 3 minutes, it's going to deactivate the signal based on if there's movement on the fob. So that is super simple, and I love that. We've been using it. And honestly, it's so easy, and this is the actual device. You can see here, it's a super small chip that actually just goes over your battery. It basically sandwiches over your battery, and this is gonna go ahead and detect if there's any movement or not onto the battery, on the fob, and if there is no movement, it's gonna go ahead and deactivate the signal from your key fob. And so that's extremely and critically important. So all it does is simply wrap around the battery, you just put it like this in a sandwich, and you put it back in your key fob. It's that simple, it's super easy. In addition to that, this is another side benefit, because it's deactivating the signal after 3 minutes of inactivity in terms of any type of movement, it's gonna actually extend your battery by up to 40%. And in addition to that, there are insurance companies right now that are giving you a break on your insurance premium because, again, the relay attack, you've seen multiple of my videos if you've been following along on this channel. If you haven't, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. You've seen how many times are thieves coming in, stealing these vehicles through this vector of attack, the relay attack. This is one simple device and tool you put into your key fob, and it's gonna stop all of that from happening. And it's intuitive and easy to use. That's the big thing. Typically, a lot of people would use a Faraday box, but it depends. Did you forget to put it in the Faraday box? Did your wife forget to put it in the Faraday box? I cannot tell you the amount of times I went to my wife, I said, "Where are the keys?" And she's looking at me, she's like, "It's one of my purses." Okay, honey, which purse? You have like 8 of them there, and I'm sitting there sifting through her purses, trying to find this key and to put it in the Faraday box. Now I don't have to because of this small little magical device. It is super intuitive. It just sandwiches in between the battery, and you put it in, you set it, and you forget it. It's that simple. So look, I've been using this device again for about 3 weeks. It's intuitive, simple. I've had no problems. I haven't had to think about it. That's the best thing about this. I haven't had to think about it at all. Now, if you are interested in this product, of course, I will link this product in the description box down below for you guys to go ahead and get. It works with every single make and model. If you have a wireless key fob, it will work with basically anything, and it's super thin, super simple. It fits in right into the key fob. We have a Lexus, so you guys know, a 2023 Lexus NX 350H. These are one of the most stolen vehicles, Lexus vehicles, everyone's wanting to steal them. So again, I have a lot of that anxiety and making sure that I protect my vehicle. So no matter what car it is that you have, it doesn't matter, old, new, anything. If you have a wireless key fob, you should 100% be getting the secure fob product. Again, I stand by this product. I've loved it. We put it in both our key fobs to the Lexus. I really, really enjoy it. I've also gone ahead, put it into my Audi, and I've really liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box down below, but we really have to do everything, guys, to protect our property and to protect our vehicles and to protect our family, friends, and your loved ones. This is just another way simply to get that protection you need, no monthly fee, one-time cost of $99, and you're done. It's pretty simple. I'm 100% on board with it. Anything to kind of protect your vehicle, protect your family, protect your friends, I'm all in. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box below. And do you have any other tips? What else is out there that you can go ahead and protect? But this definitely seems like the most intuitive way to go ahead and just stop these relay attacks, which is the #1 vector of attack for all of these crimes and these criminals. So for $99, you get the secure fob, free shipping, anywhere in North America, super simple, fast, easy, and they give you a battery. So an extra battery, maybe your battery's already dying, but I like that they give you that all in one package. So it's easy DIY installation in under 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will see you guys in the next one.